This orangutan knew exactly what to do.
Oh my God. Nah, that's the maddest, bro. Bro? Bro, he's taking your jacket off. Take it off, help him. Help him. Bro, he's gonna put it on, bro. Nah. Yo, they're humans.
Just a humble request for some food.
You know what? What was that? Okay, James.
I think he's trying to assert dominance.
Oh.
Oh my God.